In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the new 3D reality simulator for any phone, Android and iPhone. Can't believe this. Let's go with the video. We finally got a 3D reality simulator, guys. I'm so excited for this. So let's see if we can see right here the main features. Yes. So as you can see, we are getting the reset on track and brake button. We are also getting the throttle and change view angle button right here. And the feature that I love about these products are this one. Will vibrate when you hit a bump or crash. So I love that feature, so it feels more realistic, you know what I mean? Now let's open it, let's see how it looks. Okay, here we have the lens with adjustable straps, as you can see. So I will show you later how to open it, how to set up the phone inside of it, so that way you can start using it. So first, let's see what else we have in the box. We have the paperwork and the wheel, guys. Look how nice it looks. I love it, how it feels, how you can basically handle it. All right, we have different buttons on this wheel. So we got this one. This one is for reset on track. This one right here is for brake. This one is the throttle button, and right here we have another one to change view angle. So right on the bottom we have the vibrate machine, you know, the one make it feel real when you are playing games. And that's all we are getting here. Now guys, another thing, you need to put batteries on this, so it comes without battery. Now here we have the lens. Let me show you how it works. Let's open it. Let's push that button down really hard. Okay, now we got it. Now let's see how you can set up the phone inside of it. I have an iPhone right here, but you can use any phone, guys. Okay, you can use any phone that can fit right there. Now what you're gonna do, you slide it in and boom, it was really easy. You see? And just close it up. Just like that. Wow, it looks really nice. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna play a lot with this product, guys. So let's open. Let me show you now how actually it works. For you to use this product, you need to download an app. Okay, here I have my phone. Let me go to the App Store. If you have an Android phone, you're gonna go to the Play Store. Just open the Play Store, then search for this app, VR Racing. Okay, VR Racing. Alright, it's gonna be this one, VR Real Feel Racing. So that's the app that you need to be able to use that product connected to your phone, okay? Because you need to connect that wheel to your phone through Bluetooth, okay? Now, let's do that. So I already put battery, this wheel. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it on. That's the button right here to turn it on and turn it off. So now go to your phone Bluetooth, and you will see the name right here, VR RF Racing. Let's go ahead and click on that. Wait a couple of seconds until we say it's connected. Okay, it has been connected. Now, all right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the phone right here. That way you can see that the wheel is gonna be connected the right way with the phone, and it's gonna be working, okay? Because if I put the lens on, you're not gonna be able to see anything. So let me just do that. Let me just put the phone just like that. Okay, let's open the app. Now, let's turn on this wheel. Let's wait a second until we say, you know, it's connected. Still waiting. Oh, wow, guys, look at this. I don't know if you can see perfectly through the camera, but I can see that this, you know, is working perfectly with my phone. As you can see, every time I move the wheel to the right, you can see it on the phone. Wow. Look at this. I love it so far. Now let me start the game. Let me press continue to start the game. Guys, this is another level. It works perfectly. So I can see if you move the phone a little bit down so you can see better, but you know, unfortunately you have to use the lens for you to play this game, because the app was designed to use it with the lens, you know what I mean? Every time I move the wheel to the left, to the right, it works perfectly. And I just hit something right there and the wheel started vibrating. So basically everything is working perfectly. Let me just put the lens on my eyes to see the real life. Let's go. Wait, hold on. Is this real?